Hey you guys, what's up? So today I will show you how to remove multiple Snapchat friends all at once. So let's start. So let's take a look at Snapchat. Go to your account profile, tap on your profile icon on the upper left corner of your screen. Now tap on My Friends. Now here, if you tap on the three dots on the upper right corner of your screen, you will see that there is no option to select multiple contacts at once. Even if you tap and hold a contact, it will not give you an option to select multiple contacts all at once. So, given this situation, the only way for you to mass select friends and remove them from Snapchat is to create an entirely new account. So that's the only option left for you at this time. Well, that's all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.